When engaging in a construction project, large or small, it is best to plan for private security guards in order to establish a high level of protection against burglary, fires, and vandalism. Knowing your site is secure and safely protected provides peace of mind to you, your clients, and your employees. Some construction companies make the mistake of underestimating the advantage of hiring security for their site. Due to the nature of the business, construction sites are filled with potential hazards. From heavy machinery to expensive construction materials, construction sites face a high level of risk each day on the job site. Having Issm Protective Services security guards on the premises not only provides safety, but also prevents financial loss. Call us now and get the peace of mind you deserve.